Ever wondered how to turn your Snapchat usage into a money-making venture? Well, you've landed on the right video. Snapchat isn't just a popular social media platform for sharing snaps and stories. It's a potential goldmine for those looking to monetize their digital presence. The key to unlocking this potential? A strong following, compelling content, and meaningful interaction with your audience. Yes, your fun, quirky snaps can now become a source of income. From accumulating followers and creating engaging Snapchat stories, to forming relationships with brands for sponsored content, there's a wealth of opportunities to explore. And let's not forget Snapchat's new feature, Spotlight, that's making waves by allowing users to earn from viral videos. It's a whole new world out there, and it's time you dived in. Stay tuned to discover the step-by-step process to make money on Snapchat. The first step to making money on Snapchat is building a strong, engaged following. Now you might be wondering, how do you do that? Well, the secret lies in creating original and engaging Snapchat stories. Think of your stories as a way to showcase your unique personality and perspective to the world. This could be anything from sharing snippets of your daily life to creating content around a specific interest or hobby. The sky is truly the limit. In addition, it's crucial to consider the role of niche selection in attracting a specific audience. Just like in business, carving out a unique niche for yourself can help you stand out amid the sea of content on Snapchat. Maybe you're a fitness enthusiast, a foodie, or a fashionista. Whatever your passion, there's likely an audience out there just waiting to connect with you. But remember, building a strong following doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, consistency, and a whole lot of creativity. So don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep creating, keep engaging, and most importantly, keep being you. Remember, a large and engaged following is the key to unlocking monetization opportunities on Snapchat. Once you have a solid following, it's time to start engaging with brands and creating sponsored content. This is where the real game begins. You see, sponsored content is a type of advertising where brands pay you to promote their products or services to your followers. The key here is authenticity. Your followers trust you, they value your opinions. So when you recommend a product or service, they're more likely to be interested. But remember, the product or service you're promoting should align with your personal brand and the interests of your followers. Brand partnerships can be another avenue to explore. You can collaborate with brands, creating unique content that showcases their products in a creative, engaging way. It's a win-win situation. The brand gets exposure and you get paid. You might be wondering, how do you find these brands? It's simple. Reach out to them, pitch your ideas, show them the value you can bring. Or you can sign up with influencer marketing platforms that connect influencers with brands. And there's more. You can also earn commissions by promoting other brands' products. This is called affiliate marketing. You promote a product, someone buys it through your link, and voila, you earn a commission. Forming relationships with brands can be a lucrative step in your Snapchat money-making journey. Snapchat offers several features that can help you monetize your content. Let's start with the Spotlight feature. With Spotlight, your creative and engaging videos can go viral. And guess what? When they do, you earn a share of the daily payout from Snapchat. Yes, you heard it right. Snapchat pays out over $1 million daily to users just like you. To submit a snap to Spotlight, all you need to do is create your snap, then simply select Spotlight before hitting submit. It's that easy. Your snaps then get the chance to be seen by a wider audience. Snapchat's algorithm determines which videos get spotlighted based on factors like views, shares, and likes. So make sure your content is inspiring, educational, or just downright fun. But that's not all. Snapchat also allows you to create and sell your own filters. If you have a knack for design, this could be a fantastic way to monetize your creativity. Just imagine Snapchat users worldwide using and loving a filter you created. Leveraging Snapchat's features can significantly boost your earnings. Let's quickly recap the steps to making money on Snapchat. We started by understanding the importance of building a strong following. Remember, your followers are your currency in the Snapchat world. The more engaged they are, the better your chances of monetizing your content. We then moved on to the art of engaging with brands and creating sponsored content. By forming relationships with brands and promoting their products, you open up a world of potential revenue streams. Just ensure the brands you choose align with your audience's interests and your personal brand. Next, we explored Snapchat's features like the Spotlight, which can significantly boost your income if your videos go viral. We also discussed creating and selling Snapchat filters, another creative way to turn your Snapchat into a money-making machine. And finally, remember that making money on Snapchat isn't an overnight process. It requires strategic planning, creativity, and most importantly, patience and persistence. But with the right approach, Snapchat can become a profitable platform for you. Start your Snapchat money-making journey today. Now it's your turn to join the conversation. If you found this video helpful and want to stay updated with more unique, beneficial, and free content about personal growth and monetization strategies, then do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button and leave us a comment below saying, "I subscribed." Your feedback encourages us to continue providing valuable content and helps us shape future videos to better suit your needs. Remember, we're here to help you turn your passions into profit, and your engagement makes that possible. So don't hesitate. Subscribe, comment, and join our growing community of ambitious Snapchatters. We'll do our best to respond to each of your comments. Thank you for your support. And together, let's make the most out of Snapchat.